Good morning everyone and welcome back to our channel. What begins today is a journey to teach everyone who knows nothing about CNC lathe programming. It is a course that will lead those who follow it to be completely independent in programming using ISO language for two axes, namely X and Z, pure turning, and possibly also with the use of powered tools such as axis C. I am addressing those who want to start or those who have already begun working as a lathe operator in a machine shop and want to become independent and grow, as well as technical institutes, that is those students who are undergoing training that will lead them to work in the field of mechanical processing. So we will start from the basics: Cartesian axes, machine zeros, M codes, G codes, the concept of cutting speed, fixed speeds, feed rate in mm per minute rather than mm per revolution, macro instructions, threading, roughing, origins, subprograms, and then move on to the use of powered tools. The tools I will use in this course, one of which is my favorite. You can see behind me the good old blackboard. After that, what you see is a software that can be downloaded from the Ecco website, a machine tool manufacturer called WinNC for FANUC. This software is exactly missing some things, but it is still the same software as the FANUC 31 ITD CNC. Keep in mind,
I count that from the moment you download it, you have 30 days to practice. After that, either you shell out some money, and it's not a small amount, or it won't work anymore. But to start, it's fine. If you have two PCs at home, you can install it twice because it is obviously not linked to an email, but to a single PC. So if you have your own PC, your daughter's PC, or your sister's, you can temporarily install it first on your PC, and if you haven't finished the course, also on your sister's, mother's, father's, or child's PC, depending on how old you are. I hope for you that you are very young so that you have a lifetime ahead to learn and reuse it for another 30 days. FANUC is one of the controls that, for better or worse, is easier to find in machine shops. Another software we will use is this one, which is completely downloadable for free from the Simulatore website. It's called Simutrain and contains ShopTurn, which is a CAD cam that we might explore further. But on my channel, you will find everything related to this software once you have learned ISO, which is more important. I sincerely love this software, so go to the Sim website, and if you type download Simutrain, you can register and provide your email for free to get this software. You will load the demo version, which is already a lathe with a C-axis and all the necessary functions. We will use this software a little because it has good graphics, and for direct programming, but unfortunately there are no macro instructions, or at least I can't get them to work on my PC, so we will use FANUC for the macro instructions. So get these software and then start following me. This short video was just meant to be an introduction. I hope I have piqued your curiosity, but above all, I hope to live up to the task I have set for myself, which is to teach something to someone. It's not easy, and let's see if I can succeed. Thank you for following me in this first introduction, and I look forward to seeing you in the next more exciting videos that will obviously cover